In this video of Technoholic Plus, I am going to talk about an awesome capability inside Microsoft Copilot, which is how we can convert a 2D image to 3D. Yep, you heard it right. Now it is possible to convert your 2D project into 3D in just a click, thanks to power of generative AI and Copilot, which is powered by OpenAI. So without further ado, let's quickly see how you can achieve that. For that, here you can already see I have opened my computer screen and Copilot in it. Now all you need to do is you need to click here on this slider button, and from here you need to click on Labs. Now in Labs, look for Copilot 3D. Click on it, then you can click on Try Now. This will basically open the internet browser, and then from here you need to sign in using Microsoft 365 account. So here what we can see is some of example how one have created these 3D object using this kind of 2D image, which of course, if you really want to create by yourself, you can do that using generative AI and can use same image to create 3D. Now, in order to create such image, here you can, click on upload image. And now what we need to do is we need to upload image of the object. So let me quickly type here the kind of object that you would like to create. For example, I would like to create table 3D, and let me click here on images. And there are certain prerequisites like your image background need to be clear or plain. For example, here in this case, so I can take this image and I can save it in my system. Okay, probably I can save it in my desktop. And now if I go back here and then click on upload image, and now all I need to do, I need to select the image and then I need to click on create. So now let's wait for a while, and there you go. So here you can see we have developed this 3D model out of just a 2D image that you can of course see it here. And look at the way it looks quite realistic. I mean, you can also see the texturing of it. Of course, you're not gonna get a complete 100%, but you see the input that you have provided was just a plain 2D image, and here is what the image look like, and here is the way the result look like. So I would say that's quite awesome. And then it also have added some of support feature which kind of add realism to the part. So that's really awesome, guys. I mean, in just few clicks we were able to generate this 3D model, and then from here you can download it either as GLB, STL and GIF. So let's download it as a GLB. So here let me try to open this in PowerPoint. Let me type PowerPoint, and let's start with blank presentation, and I'm gonna simply drag and drop it here. And there we go. So now the 3D image is in place, and then I can of course navigate it based on my requirement. So this is really awesome, guys. We just utilize image to generate this 3D. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any question or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with it. Also, make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus for more such tutorial that will help you to elevate your productivity to the next level. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.